In this video, we'll cover some of the different ways that you can go about assigning a task to your students in Education Perfect. So there are many different ways that you can assign tasks to students. If you come on over here to our left, you can assign from the Discover tab. If you head into our library, you can filter through there and you can assign directly from our Tasks tab. We'll have some more videos around assigning directly from the Tasks tab, but for today, we're going to take a look at assigning from one of our learning pathways. So I've located the learning pathway that I want to assign tasks from, and I'm going to come and click on this first task here. That'll take me through to a preview of our Smart Lesson. You can, from this view, take a look through the Smart Lesson itself, view all the different questions, and even view how it is looking from a student perspective. But the option that we want to click on here is Assign. That will bring us up with the task assignment option, and we're going to click through to that one to go through to our task flow. Once we're here inside the task flow, you should see any of the classes that are assigned here to your name. If there are some classes you want to assign to that aren't attached to your name, click on the All Classes option, and you'll see any of the other classes that are here inside the school. I'm going to go back to my classes. I'm going to select Advanced Arithmetic Studies for this one. Now, once you've selected your class, you can come and see Assigned to Specific Students. This is where you can drop students out from being assigned the task, or if you would like, you can unselect all students and select only a handful to complete this task itself. So this is one of the ways in which you can differentiate which work is being assigned to which students in EP. For our demonstration, we're going to assign to all students. And of course, you can select more than one class if you need to, and then change the options that are here. But we're just going to select that one class there. I'm going to set the time and date as the default that's been assigned here, which is roughly about 7 days and 1 hour from when you've selected this task itself. Coming down further, you'll be able to see the tasks that you've selected, and you can add in any task name that you would like and any instructions that you want students to see. Here in the Select Content option, you're also going to see a preview of how long this task will actually take students. And from this point, we can also adjust what it is from the task that we're going to ask students to do. If you want to adjust which parts of the task are being assigned, click on the task itself, and that will bring you back through to this preview. Once we click here on Assign Specific Sections, that'll allow us to select parts of the Smart Lesson we want to include or exclude. Here I'll drop out these two open-ended questions, confirm selection, and you'll see that our time to complete has now changed here as well. With who, when, and what our students are working on selected, we can go ahead and assign this task. If there is anything else that you want to adjust, you can click on the options here to change how it is students interact with this. We've got our revision mode checked by default, which means that all the students' progress in this task will be reset from 0. But if you do want to include any previous progress for students, then you can select the learning option. Below that, we have some different options here that impact how our students experience the lesson and some various email notifications. Whatever options you select here, the next time you go to set a task, the system will remember those options and will set those as your default. So you won't need to adjust these each time. But with everything that we need selected, we can click Assign and we're ready to go. Once we've clicked through to Assign, we'll come here to the Details tab. That will allow us to make many of the changes that we might need to our lesson, including assigning to more students, editing the date, changing the content itself, or changing a number of those options. If you do need to find this task at any point in time, when you click back to all tasks, it'll take you to the task view, or if you come to the left on our menu and select tasks, it'll take you here and you'll be able to find the task that you selected. We'll have some more videos to do with tasks, task assignments, and getting data from our tasks, so keep your eyes peeled out for those. In the meantime, if you need any help, just reach out and get in touch. We're here to help however we can.